Thanks for tuning in. It's Monday and it's time for our first January 2025 update. Let's get into it. Outside temp 48 degrees, inside a cozy 74 degrees. Okay, let's get some of these daikon radish seeds planted, otherwise known as white radish. So all I got here is some cocoa peat in a cup. We're just gonna spread a couple seeds, lightly cover it with some cocoa peat, give it a nice watering, and let nature take its course. Making some changes in the grow room, extending the light bar, which allows me to hang more lights for more projects coming up this year. Repurposing some materials that I had laying around the house, I built this wicking bucket. A wicking bucket is where you put soil on the top and leave space underneath to have a water reservoir. The water wicks up into the soil and waters your plant. I will be coming out with a full video on how I built this system. I also have some arugula and some lemon balm seedlings coming up, and these will be transferred into the mini system once they get big enough. This is that water spinach, Choy, Kang, and they're growing like crazy. Look at that roots. And now for the big system. Look at that, folks. I can't wait to get some stir fry going. Once again, that's the Choy Kang water spinach that I put in the system a couple weeks, well, more than a couple weeks ago. And this is that noble spinach. Noble spinach seems to be struggling. Still growing, nice and green. Roots look good. It's just not what I expected. But I tell you what, that water spinach, it's taking off. I think I'm gonna give her one more week, and then we'll harvest this water spinach. We're also gonna take some cuttings. I'm gonna take some cuttings and see if I can get them to root, and we'll grow another batch just from cuttings. I would greatly appreciate it if you watch another video right here, and don't forget to catch next week's update. Thanks for watching.